Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you that how can you delete duplicates in your Excel sheet. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your Excel sheet, enter all your data in your Excel sheet. After entering all the data in your Excel sheet, you have to highlight the specific data which you think is duplicate. After highlighting the duplicate data, you have to move forward. You have number of tools in the menu bar. You have to tap on data, and in data you will find the option of remove duplicates. You have to tap on it. You have to choose the column which you think are duplicate, unselect them, and then tap on OK. So duplicate files or your duplicate data will be deleted or removed. This is how you can remove your duplicate files or your duplicate data in your Excel sheet instantly and fastly. It's a pretty simple process, just you have to follow these steps. By following these steps, you can easily remove your duplicate data from your Excel sheet. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like it.